What's up YouTube, Doswellbeats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today I'm gonna be making a beat with a sample from Cymatics. Let's get it, let's get it. I rarely make beats with sample, but I think I'm gonna start doing that now. I keep saying I'm gonna start doing it, but then I like to play with the MIDI notes. But I mean, not the MIDI notes, because that you see in my last video, MIDI notes is whatever. Drag and drop MIDI notes is. I like to use VSTs to come up with my actual chord and stuff like that. But I'm gonna start using more samples. All right, so let's get it, man. Camera's on. Let's go. Let's turn it up, man. Let's get it. Turn it up. Let's go. Let's work with another sample. We're gonna mix two samples together, all right, to make one. We're gonna pitch it up so it can be in the key of G. All right, so right now it's in E. I already put this one in G, so I'm gonna put this one in G. So is that E? We're gonna pitch it. Let's pitch it. Let's hear what it sounds like. Let's pitch it up first, because up from E is closer to get the G from E. So we're gonna use Studio by Studio Link to use it to just make like a vox or something. We need a vocal vox or something out of there to do something nice, right? That's the beauty of making beats, man. You have an idea in your head after you start. You know what you want to hear, and it's just all about getting it out on the canvas. Alright, so we're gonna use that, but I just want the alright, so that's all I want. So alright, so we're gonna keep it. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to edit the track. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so now let's bring it to match the key of the beat, right? So all right, so we know where we want it. So alright, YouTube, I'm gonna leave it off there for now. If this is your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, making a beat with a sample, man. I don't know what else to say. I'm all talked out, man. I just like to make my beats. I'm a man of few words. I've always been like that, alright? So, as always, man, thank you to everybody, to my subscribers, the new ones, the ones that's not subscribed but still watches. Hit that subscribe button, man. It's free, it don't cost you nothing, alright? It just motivate me to help me to keep going. And as always, you know what I like to say, right?